whispering secrets in your ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in your ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in your ear. Fly high across the sky from here to kingdom come.
In the wind breeze, I hear schemes, no mere dreams. When the wind talk, the bears seem to just leave. Where this man walk, there's just trees and crisp leaves. Sick fiends looking for quick cream like bitch, please. Quick fix like duct tape. You got quick kicks, free runners say fuck Jake. Put up chase to a free gunner, then buck Jake. What up, fate? Hear your words in the wind chime. Word, hear your birds with the birds in the springtime. Chords of the scored when you scored at the storm. And a chord with a string chime. Chime overtook, son, I've been time. Rhymes overlooked, son, I've been nice. Life in control of the spin dice. Kite in control of the wind type. Gale force, hurricane winds of a windpipe. Tornado when the motherfucking wind's right. Told you motherfuckers, son, I've been nice. Cold, son, I've been ice.
Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Now fly high across the sky, hear the kingdom come. Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Cold winds whispering secrets in my ear. Now fly high across the sky, hear the kingdom come.
It had to be enough. I speak madness and leave ashes and drink acid straight from the Pythagorean cup. Your majesty is crushed with the weight of the world on his shoulder and back till it's broken and cracked while creating these prose. Not an allegorical metaphor anymore. I bring it to the giants. Cut off the head of my enemies like David did Goliath. Son Jason and young David, cause once I lift it off, display it as the head of the full tarn in the battlefield of the living God. And you won't see my mission stop until I'm cooked and dropped. Amongst spike and kin, violent winds, whisper thoughts. Collective intelligence, mind grows with our numbers. Bodybuilding in reverse, the muscle grows with our hunger. Homeless and gutter, soldiers and brothers had their best efforts met with torture. Rebels caught and perfected horror and hermetic orders. Creation of forces holding explode, cremating your corpses. Don't end your cold winds, calm the flame that came from the torches.